This is a super quick video where I'm going to show you how I use an invisible or almost invisible join when joining ribbing worked in the back loops only. Here you see the right side of the join just there, and then here you see the wrong side just there. As you see, it's quite a discreet join. You can use it for pretty much all types of ribbing where you are crocheting through the back loops only. The particular rib I've used to demonstrate this is the yarn over slip stitch in the back loop only. So I start with a chain and then I work the yarn over slip stitch in short rows throughout. I have a separate tutorial for that. And then when I come to join, I join back to the starting chain. So you join the video as I've finished working the ribbing and I'm bringing the last row and the starting chain together. So that's the last row I have worked, and then here is my starting chain of 10. So what I'm going to do, I've made my one chain there. I'm going to slip stitch, and this slip stitch row is going to count as the 72nd row, so that will make an even number of rows in total. I'm going to slip stitch through the front loop of this starting chain. So this is the base of the starting chain where we worked into those back bumps. Front loop of that, and then the back loop of the equivalent stitch in that last row I just worked. So I'm just going to slip stitch through and then repeat that. So it's the front loop of the chain, the back loop of the last row. I'm keeping my yarn relatively relaxed. Then I'm going to do this all the way across. That's 8, 9, and this is my 10th stitch, and I'm going to just chain one. So this, as mentioned, this is the wrong side, and actually once you can block that over, you've got quite a subtle join there, but on the right side you can see you've got these little extra lines there, but generally it's quite a discreet join. It's not totally invisible, but you'd have to look twice at it once your hat is on.